Have you ever looked at your garden and felt frustrated, staring at dry, cracked soil, struggling plants, and disappointing yields? No matter how much effort you put into watering or fertilizing, you are not alone. Many gardeners face this challenge, season after season, trying everything they know and spending money on fertilizers and soil treatments, yet seeing minimal results. The problem often lies beneath the surface, in the very life of the soil. Soil is not just dirt. It is a living ecosystem full of microbes, fungi, and microorganisms that work together to feed plants, recycle nutrients, and maintain fertility. Over time, repeated planting, chemical fertilizers, heavy watering, and lack of proper soil care destroy this delicate balance. The microbes die off, the structure becomes compacted, nutrients become locked away, and your plants struggle. What most people do is treat the symptom rather than the problem, using more fertilizers or chemical additives, which may temporarily mask deficiencies, but ultimately fail to restore the soil's health. Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet remarkably effective method that can bring dead soil back to life, improve nutrient availability, and dramatically boost your harvest using one of the most accessible materials you probably already have at home. Copper wire. Copper, a natural trace element, is essential for plant growth in tiny amounts. It helps activate beneficial microbes, improve soil structure, and enhance nutrient uptake. But this is not about throwing copper, powder, or scraps into the garden haphazardly. There is a specific, practical method for applying copper that triggers soil regeneration naturally, gradually, and safely. This technique has been tested by gardeners worldwide, and those who apply it report faster plant growth, greener leaves, healthier roots, and increased yields for vegetables, herbs, and even some grains. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to implement this copper trick in your own garden, step by step, to revive your soil and see noticeable results within weeks. Make sure to watch until the very end, because I'll share a bonus tip that most gardeners overlook. A small adjustment that can maximize the effects of this method, giving you the most fertile and productive soil possible. And if you enjoy learning simple, natural ways to improve your garden without expensive chemicals, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future gardening secrets. Let's start by understanding why soil dies in the first place. Soil is not just a medium for plants to anchor their roots. It is a living, breathing system. It is home to bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and countless other organisms that decompose organic matter, fix nitrogen, and recycle nutrients. When this ecosystem is disrupted, the soil becomes lifeless, compacted, and This can happen for many reasons, including over-fertilization, excessive tilling, chemical sprays, poor irrigation practices, or simply neglect. When beneficial microorganisms die off, nutrients become unavailable to plants, roots struggle to grow, and the soil loses its natural structure, becoming hard and prone to erosion. That's why many gardeners notice that despite spending money on fertilizers and soil amendments, plants still underperform. The key to reversing this is restoring the life in the soil, and copper plays a crucial role in this process. Copper is required in trace amounts by plants, acting as a catalyst for various enzymatic reactions and contributing to photosynthesis, respiration, and lignin synthesis. But its role in the soil extends beyond plant nutrition. When applied correctly, copper stimulates microbial activity, improving decomposition rates, nutrient cycling, and soil structure. This creates a healthier root environment, allowing plants to access more nutrients naturally. Now let's move on to the materials and preparation required for this technique. You will need copper wire, preferably clean and bare, without plastic coating. Household copper wire, such as old electrical wiring, works perfectly. You'll also need scissors or wire cutters to cut the wire into small pieces, gloves to protect your hands, and a bucket of water if you want to soak the copper before use. Start by cutting the copper wire into segments roughly 2 to 3 inches long. These small pieces are ideal because they gradually release trace copper into the soil, activating microbial life without overloading the system. Next, prepare your garden soil by removing debris, old roots, or rocks. Loosen the soil lightly with a trowel or garden fork so that the copper pieces can interact with the soil microbes effectively. If you choose to soak the copper in water for 24 hours, it can help jumpstart microbial activity, although this is optional. Now, let's apply the copper trick in the garden. There are two main methods, depending on whether you are planting new crops or treating existing plants. The first method involves mixing copper directly into the soil. Spread the small copper pieces evenly across the top 2 to 3 inches of soil. Water gently to help the copper begin interacting with the microbial life in the soil. The second method is ideal for existing plants. Place a few pieces of copper around the base of each plant, about 2 to 3 inches from the roots, taking care not to directly touch the roots. Over time, the copper stimulates microbial activity around the root zone, improving nutrient uptake and supporting healthier growth. The key here is moderation. Copper is powerful in trace amounts, so only a few pieces per square foot are sufficient. Excessive copper can harm plants and soil microbes. The beauty of this method is that once applied, it works continuously. Unlike chemical fertilizers that require repeated applications, copper gradually improves the soil's health, activating life in the soil and creating a sustainable, self-reinforcing system. You might wonder how quickly you can expect to see results. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you may notice subtle changes. The soil feels looser. Small organisms like worms and insects return, and microbial activity begins to pick up. By 3 to 4 weeks, plants start growing faster. Leaves become greener, and seedlings that struggled previously thrive. By 6 to 8 weeks, most gardeners see substantial improvements, with larger, healthier harvests and plants that resist stress and disease more effectively. This method is not a quick fix, but a long-term solution that improves soil health season after season. For even better results, combine the copper application with organic mulch or compost. After placing the copper, add a thin layer of compost, straw, or leaf litter. This protects the soil, retains moisture, provides additional nutrients, and creates a supportive environment for the microbes activated by copper. Proper watering is also crucial. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged, as overwatering can harm beneficial microbes and reduce oxygen availability in the root zone. Common mistakes to avoid include using too much copper, burying it too deep, or neglecting water and mulch. Small, consistent applications are far more effective than large, excessive doses. Safety is simple. Always wear gloves when handling copper. Keep small pieces away from pets and children, and store extra copper securely. Now, let's talk about the impact you can expect. By reviving dead soil using copper, you not only improve plant growth, but also enhance the nutritional content of your crops. Healthier soil means stronger, more resilient plants, leading to bigger fruits, more abundant vegetables, and improved flavor. Lettuce becomes crispier, tomatoes juicier, and beans more prolific. Over time, your garden becomes largely self-sustaining, reducing the need for expensive fertilizers or soil amendments. One gardener reported that, after applying copper wire and combining it with compost, their tomato plants produced twice the usual number of fruits, and the soil retained moisture better, requiring less irrigation. Another gardener using the technique on a lettuce bed saw seedlings that previously struggled to germinate grow robustly within 2 weeks. The method works across different plant types and soil conditions. Leafy greens, root vegetables, legumes, and even flowering plants benefit from the copper stimulation. Perennial crops see improved growth year after year. While copper is not a magic solution, its strategic application unlocks the potential in your soil that may have been dormant for years. To maximize effectiveness, observe your soil and plants. Rotate crops if possible, maintain organic matter, and monitor moisture. Copper enhances the ecosystem, but overall gardening practices still matter. It's a holistic approach. Copper activates life, Compost feeds it, water sustains it, and your plants flourish as a result. At this point, if you've learned something new and want more practical, easy gardening tips that deliver real results, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We explore simple, sustainable techniques that improve soil, grow bigger harvests, and reduce dependency on chemicals. Share your experiences in the comments. Did you try copper in your garden before? What results did you see? Taking photos before and after using this method is a great way to track progress and stay motivated. Finally, remember that gardening is a journey. Each season teaches new lessons, and small, consistent improvements compound over time. By applying the copper trick, combining it with organic mulch or compost, and maintaining good watering practices, you can transform your soil from lifeless and unproductive to rich, vibrant, and capable of supporting healthy, abundant crops. The transformation is not only visible in your plants, but also in the life teeming beneath the surface. Worms, microbes, and fungi returning to create a balanced, thriving ecosystem. This simple, inexpensive, and accessible method can completely change your gardening experience, allowing you to enjoy larger harvests, healthier plants, and soil that sustains itself for years to come. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your results. Apply this copper trick, care for your soil, and watch your garden flourish like never before. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore more natural ways to improve soil, grow bigger crops, and enjoy a sustainable, productive garden.